I love virtual reality and explore virtual worlds. But to have an immersive virtual reality experience, you may need additional accessories, either to interact, locate objects, or have a tactile experience. Today, I will explain the difference between a controller and a tracker for use with virtual reality glasses. But before I show you, subscribe to the channel because I publish new videos every week. This is the HTC VIVE controller, a controller for interaction with virtual reality glasses. With this controller, you can interact with the elements you see in the virtual world. This controller is held with your hand, and the position, rotation and movements of your hand in the real world will be the same movements in the virtual world. It also has buttons that you can press to perform actions and choose options that you see in virtual reality. As this controller is wireless and communicates with the computer via Bluetooth, you can have completely freedom to move in a three-dimensional space without being dependent on the length of the wire. You can use just one controller or use two controllers, one controller in each hand, to interact with both hands in a virtual reality game. The purpose of this controller is to track the position of your hands, to interact with digital elements in virtual reality. This is the HTC VIVE Tracker, an object or person tracker for virtual reality. By placing this tracker on an object, when that object is moved in the real space, in the real world, that movement is also transmitted to the virtual space, to the virtual world. So you can see the position of the physical object in virtual reality, and thus be able to interact with that object. This tracker has the ability to communicate the position, rotation and tilt of the object to which is attached. But you can use several trackers. You can place them on various objects, people or various parts of your body. And the virtual reality system can identify the position of all the trackers and converts all positions to virtual reality. This tracker is wireless, has a rechargeable battery, and sends the information to the computer via Bluetooth. The purpose of this device is to locate the position of a real object so you can know its position in virtual reality. This is the difference between a controller and a tracker for virtual reality, and in the coming weeks I will demonstrate how these devices work, so you can have a more immersive and tactile experience in virtual environments. I love virtual reality and I spend hours having fun in virtual reality. Now, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week and I'm going to show you several virtual reality projects.